Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eassiy Official. Have you ever tried unlocking your iPhone with Face ID and suddenly, boom, it asks, your passcode is required to enable Face ID? Super frustrating, right? Today, I'll explain why this happens, give you 6 quick fixes, and show what to do if you can't even enter your passcode. Why your passcode is required appears. This message isn't random. iOS asks for your passcode in several situations. You just restarted your iPhone. You haven't unlocked it in 48 hours. You haven't used Face or Touch ID in the last 4 hours. Or the passcode in 6 to 5 days. You failed Face ID 5 times. Your device is locked via iCloud. Emergency SOS or medical ID was activated. Sometimes software glitches, dust on the TrueDepth camera, or a cracked screen protector can also trigger this message. 6 quick fixes. Here are 6 practical fixes you can try right now. 1. Disable Face ID with passcode. If you don't need Face ID, turn it off completely. Settings, Face ID and passcode. Reset Face ID. 2. Keep the TrueDepth camera clean. Dust or dirt can block Face ID. A soft cloth gently wiped on the camera often fixes recognition issues. 3. Turn off Raise to Wake. iPhone scans your face automatically when the screen lifts. This can cause failed attempts. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Raise to Wake, turn off 4. Set up an alternative appearance. If you wear glasses or your look changed, set up a second appearance. Settings, Face ID and passcode. Set up alternative appearance. Follow on-screen steps 5. Reset Face ID and set it up again. iOS bugs can prevent recognition. Reset your Face ID and set it up from scratch. Settings, Face ID and passcode. Reset Face ID. Set up Face ID 6. Update iOS. Outdated software can cause glitches. Update to the latest version. Settings, General, Software. Update, download and install. Can't enter passcode? Use Passixer. If you forgot your passcode, these fixes won't help. That's where Passixer iPhone Unlocker comes in. It removes any screen lock, passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID without iTunes. Quick steps: install and open Passixer on your computer. Select Wipe Passcode and connect your iPhone. Download the firmware, type 0000, then click Unlock. A few minutes later, your iPhone will show the Hello screen, ready to set up like new. Remember, this will erase your device, so back up any data if possible. FAQs. Can Face ID work without a passcode? No. iPhone requires a passcode first. Can I skip your passcode is required completely? Not without entering the correct passcode, unless you use a trusted unlock tool like Passixer. Alright, that's it. Enter your passcode first, keep the camera clean, set up an alternative appearance, or reset Face ID. And if you can't remember your passcode, Passixer iPhone Unlocker is a reliable solution. Link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions. See you next time.